Today we are making apple crisp.
What's up guys, it's Minix back with another video, and today I'm here with my grandma.
Hi everyone.
And today we are going to be making homemade apple crisp.
This is an old family favorite I love to make it in this time of year when the apples are in season, and I think you'll enjoy it.
Yeah, so if you just got done picking apples or you're going to go to the apple orchard, this is perfect, and it's great to have with some ice cream, and it's really good and easy.
So we're starting to do some fall recipes, so if anybody has any requests, we'd be glad to try it.
Before we start this video, make sure that you hit the like button and also subscribe to our channel, and then hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video.
Okay, let's get started. Okay, first thing we want to do is spray our pan so it won't stick. You need a 9 by 13 dish. Then we have 6 cups of peeled sliced apples in here. You can, if you have them in the freezer, that'll work too. You can just put them in frozen. We're going to add 1 cup of sugar and 2 tablespoons of flour to the apples. And we're going to stir that up. And then we'll put these in the 9 by 13 pan. Just kind of spread them out. And then we've got 1½ cups of brown sugar. We're going to mix this all together. 1½ cups all-purpose flour. 1 cup of oatmeal. And I have a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of soda. And then 1 stick of butter. We're going to stir that all together and make a topping for the apples, a crumb topping, aka the best part. And I'm just going to kind of take my hands and get the butter worked in a little better, and then sprinkle it on top. I think it's good to go. Just sprinkle it on top. This looks like a lot of topping. We're going to put it in the oven, and you want to bake it at 350. We're going to try 30 minutes, and we'll see if it needs any more time.
Okay guys, we're back, and we have our apple crisp ready to try. On top we put some vanilla ice cream and a little bit of caramel, just like that.
Don't get burnt, kitties. We got our meal.
Alright, so thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed. If you make this, let us know and share some pictures, and we would love to see if you made it. Remember to hit the subscribe button and also click the bell. And we'll see you guys later. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Bye.